na Andra na ye koso do. Andra ye koso in some see I na social media gidi. Eye ba aya asamba munya botre. Me say Andra ko Otumfuo kwa yemhihye no. Andra na Otumfuo say tutu nana otakonyo na ne yem kura say eh na den ai asamba aya mu munya botre. Aya munya botre na asam na aba ne ye asamba munya botre. Andra ye wunya bebre Andra lion ai asamba ba na mafo gi boss so.
Mami catch no Lion King. Bema one way. Bema is Santiago. Was it if you know neighbor? Comody the show.
Lion King Cassandra. Waji yera bosso. Ahumachi. Dear sorry yet. Not yet Lion King be dear for the home. Yes, Lion Yabutre. Na Lion Kuko, no Akakoti. Lion Saba Yabutre, and you. Ave. Adia sana ye befro bia se ye kwesiera na lion awi akukọ mako akukọ ti aka ni yem lion dimi sore adia sana abo 7 na Otumfuo frefre se Abrafuo we ye kwesiera na ye hia guard no lion ayemre lion gig ajeg wa prede ho akọwi akukọ ti ma lion akukọ ti aka lion yem akukọ lion ayemre ye started the puff for the gas lion eyede de enye 2 hours eyi o ebeche na nyabotre na yenye ye asaba nyabotre lion nya asaba nyabotre de nyina ne asante ye dia enye nkwa dia nyabotre started for because ye na Otumfuo Ntim enti na raho okoda na wanda kranche be 30 minutes ni tie lion ball 4 na lion ni tie no de bidie fa no ho no nam Asante onam santase nam bantema onam menhia enkonfo da kakrampo ye sori abeye lion so diase na lion awe besi no nam krom hunhuna nipa ene efrese lion nyabotre asema nyabotre ne nyina na ewu ya diase obi akukọ na lion akọka de ti inti abo 7 ne ese ne time aso ye gosie na ya hwehwe lion na lion akukọ ti aka de yem akukọ ti aka lion yem lion be masem imredu si ekosie na yehu lion ati lion ni so gidi no sa afede ni nyina lion abre ye fe lion se basa mabre nipa je ye se lion yekosie na lion se menko ye su beko o se menko ye se lion obeko ye se lion lion se okasa ma aisa akukọ okasa kwa lion akọwi akukọ ti akukọ nya diabetes na lion keka de ti ena oka no amene yes lion hwe nyabutiro na asaba nyabutiro lion menka se tie nipa ne nipa ne nya ne nipa ene yakọ ako ene yakoku wei ene ye ne de yetiase ye do nana lion nyabutiro 4:30 na start ye lion sori ne yakoku nana yankosie nana lion said abi boha ni nyira lion atena so watena ne boha so lion atena ne boha so ye pe boha a protecting na akwesie na lion atena ne boha so sori yanko agidi nyina lion ayemre lion endo oshekone wakotete echampo fiechi lion akotete champion fiechi ye hwehwe lion ma ye hu de be ho lion tete champion fiechi ye ka asem kirema amuntie asemba nyabotre lion gidi entumi nyabotre 4 o'clock na ka kire 4 o'clock yes nyabotre any time no ebi wom men starting grow from 4:30 nyabotre bo 2:30 lion so dabi asante ye de ani akontokwa asante title so ha ye hu title no nyabotre na asebo ho lion Enti later na Otumfuo say ende the time do you see yeko kora na echi. Ye frɛ lion na atasa. Atasa agya konwa ai. Ye say atasa yenko o se da line. Bidie ni nyina hohoro. Bidie na oyusu ye no so na oyusu eye bechem bidie. Bidie ni nyina hohoro ma lion ne boha. Ye say boha na da lion sra su. Lion twe boha ne kura on twe because imbre no anopa na lion o twe boha.
Yes sir. Me, mami catch no Lion King. Bema ne wan. Bema one wan. Bema ne satire. O si e. Fi no na eko. Omodi e shawde. Menya swodi. Asante ni Asante wo. Asante wo Bema. E na ye la ya mu no so.
Adiasa ni ahwehwe lion sa lion adiasa yango sie na lion tena bo haso lion ewia keteketa kekra Lion King asamba nyabotre ne nyina na wo fa ase ne ye odoye ye achenchen hinefo adehye asamba lion nyabotre wo twebo ha ebo no nso a akokoti aka oyem lion etiwe lion emre ai bo ha ni nyina aka ni yem lion asamba ye nyabotre ne nyina ye nyabotre ne bibia kakra yen save energy ne aye ne kakra and 2025 kwana me hu eye Abrafuo use iPhone 2020 Abrafuo bi okutaje kekra ba so that obi say o check it Abrafuo okoto data dey na Abrafuo okoto data 2025 kwana me hu say Abrafuo nana ama wadwuma se di ye nana da form bonana ho ban we just the post okoto data adan a or go TikTok 2025 mu Abrafuo okuta iPhone Abrafuo okuta Samsung iti munja nyoma ngufie ne nya mamre na otumi Abrafuo no okuta bohana otie call Abrafuo tie call Abrafuo una obobo na ho ban se obi twini tie obetwa ti no wu tie call Abrafuo no otumi buta se na MTN momofo na hefa no mo mesi bi hu Abrafuo ni bi no obuta obi ai mesremo we de ye de wa wonim ne ye wo bat ye sheda nim area ha ehe no mo ye transfer no Abrafuo nim area ho na obi be di bone na okwa ebe de na wache no Lion Lion sleep me say enye eyi ba ya na minim say Abrafuo kuta iPhone Abrafuo kuta iPhone na Abrafuo ye call me kodu be bia me hwe video bi Abrafuo wagya konwa te so ye call Otumfuo te hokobo Otumfuo ho ban Ba Asante ho ban wagye fonte oti na Abrafuo je oba number Abrafuo je oba number Abrafuo na ode ne fona ma oba se ombo numbers nguso wo na asem si obetwa di peti no wo de wo fona ma Delilah se ombo number nguso Abrafuo hutuo ni refi se wo so garden na ma Abrafuo yi ne fona ma oba se wo na yenim se bibia ntumi wo no wadie duro a wo kuta bo ha wo twatire no wo yi fona ma oba se oma number na se yeda se etu apunum say that etu apunum because Abrafuo je number Abrafuo buta location Abrafuo kire so mpemmo omo pe data na wo Abrafuo na wo be garden na wo gi data wo de yedan obrani wo de data ye the Lion King lion emre wo me nwudwam lion emre now ye my rate to me fee say yenim say eye at a point no MPP for EDBB friend no eye FX committee by Bawumia de go for sankofo omagimi me na me ka kire ye rate fee o ye be kai omo de FX committee by omo ka say committee we na eba be make sure say government inaugurate committee to investigate depreciation of the city some case pa once upon a time 2020 once upon a time na Mahamadu Bawumia na ye economic management team head onna ohwe Ghana sika so Ken Ofori Atta na ehwe oye finance minister omukotena cabinet no omka say omobeti committee na committee na investigations na say investigation no omudi abehu senior city no drop he ye tena nkwasiafo we hu ye tena nkofo we hu omuti abemu di sika sa ati committee say ye hwehwe se ne sika ne sa ikofo we omogimi and debiano unwo mo TV so no mo kasa now there's something interesting happening sorry Now sankofo ya no mo FX committee ni mu no. Sankofo na ende omo TV so e ka kire say oh John Mahama administration is not doing well. We have to make sure this is done well. This is done well. Ebi be 1% bi na almost say omo they are saying said the NPP is a dangerous political party. They are not supposed to come close to power. Somebody like Franklin Kujo, I've seen say sebio NPP for actually the nyansa anti the nyansa be fie and saying sebio okasasa nyansani ba. But apart from Franklin, maybe one or two people. Sound call for na omuti a committee some by investigations some that system they are still living with us. They are sick now. Sound call for the omu picture about chiro, but ye didn't count the omu names at chiro. Send a bear omu tete omu Ghana omu sound call for no committee members no. Yeah, the omu pictures beba next week. Uwomo TV also kwasi ampenyi. We now can investigative committee no. 2020 yeti committees are finding a way to make sure say dollar no send your dollar na cost to the swati e go for way to manye nwan and almost enti omo and Friday. Now the first person your friend is Samson. Sorry, let me move the thing here. Samson Akligan. Samson Akligan, or a Financial Services Division Director, Ministry of Finance, Economic Strategy and Research. Your friend, Financial Service Division, Ministry of Finance. Hold on, or Ghana, or go baby. You're in the picture, Beba Betro. Samson Akligan, no kahon. Investigators who be Sankofo no be time better TV so aka just so wejimi omo no munimi nyansa omo nyina kasa omo kasa omo ejimi for sack them, they are foolish people. The second person is Alhassan Idrisu. Now Alhassan Idrisu so Economic Strategy and Research, Ministry of Finance. Into omo Ministry of Finance. And I'm kofa omo mo ye adwuma mo Ken Ofori Atta ye adwuma no and I'm do make committee mo say omo be investigations.
Before I go on, let me postulate from the Franz-Fanonian dictum, which stipulates that the dialectics of reconciling two.
All right, so the next person here, Alhassan Idrisu. Also, no Oyejimo Ministry of Finance, Ken Ofori Atta, Bawumia na yini beka ho. So omo be investigations no na dollar no. Omo ye investigations and say dollar na e cost no Abrafuo. Nkwasiafo ye no TV so. Omo nyina bobo tai, omo Ghana. Ubehu omo Joy News, ubehu omo Metro TV, ubehu omo no TV so omo ye discussion, omo no munim nyansa. Alhassan Idris no so ka ho no Oyejimo Ministry of Finance Research Department. Steve Opata. On an Ghana, on also can women can say, I'm by investigation na dollar na city na and what neighbor from na dollar in Yahuadeno 2020. Steve Opata no can also I have financial marketing market acting. I head of financial markets acting Bank of Ghana. No, say on in economics mu or can investigators no. Kwasiafo omunya TV so and saying, oh, we want to share our opinion. You know, Samson, let me tell you, the economy trajectory is beginning to look more difficult for the finance minister because when you look at the output of our import and export, the balancing does not really equate. In fact, when you look at the dollar strength, the forex, they could not save Ghana. 2020, when we did my investigations, the next person, your friend Joseph Boahin Edu. Coco board, CEO, the count. Dollar investigators, no dollar investigators, no. I don't use a review for into moment TV so I Ntim some answer. Joseph Boahin Edu, I can't know what Coco board na or Tina Coco board or di Jirimuano or the no count on an ever boabe investigations. I'm a dollar legend and also because your phone is sitting on Ghana. They are still in Ghana, they'll be sitting on TV. No matter what Joy News, just wait your couple of Kwasiafo, omunim nyansa. The next person, Efua asare, no a deputy finance minister, no oka FX committee no. Sama bibina de ni komu kasenka sa Somalia or ton kwankwan wo Somalia no. Aha. Sama bibina ko merry go round with the chrome na ahemfo. ene odi kuro for kote mu ye merry go round no de ne kom nkasa se de oton kwankwan wo Somalia no ono so no ka FX committee no ho omo na mo ye investigations no still dollar do 17 kwasiafo Asamba nyabotre lion Lion King Asamba nyabotre na ye ona na ye nyina na nyabotre no ankwa wi akokoti efu asabia so no ka ho. The next person Yofi Grant also Ghana Investment Promotion Center Yofi Grant osoro no about tight se kokohwe de ofui no also girem Yofi Grant koye investigation and the city no amasi dollar no anwo de abafom Yofi Grant no ka FX committee no ho otchere de omunyina picture bebu Monday de omunyina be picture begu so na mahu enkwasha nti wo motive was wait we're not investigators no 2020. Now, the next person, Adai Entwibo Siakon, Mr. Bo Siakon, watete CEO, Minerals Commission, na onoso Otimbi. Minerals Commission CEO, no so Timbi, or one of the investigators. Amna no mu investigate, ama dollar no, 2020, na ahon de no air cost switch and city no, investigations in na kowie na dollar no was 17.89, almost 18. In Kovo free power no, na dollar no was 17.89, na ka de na do 18. Sa time kwa na Yakubu turn 19 e market no so. Now, yasawo obi a friend no K Duka, senior advisor, Ministry of Finance. Papa bi a friend K Duka, ye the picture ba be kire mo. Sa nkosiafo nyoma tete o. Mo be another 1 year they will all germinate. Oh, Mr. K Duka, former advisor, Ministry of Finance. He let us listen to him. Or maybe a pressure groups. They will hide behind CSOs. Some questions for will germinate in 1 year. They'll come back. We are waiting for all these fools. Mr. Kedia, a senior advisor, Minister of Finance, no can investigators no home. Very, very useless people. Senor Hosi. Senor Hosi and Otuo. Okasa, Ochima, no atakakra. Inquasiasam no kahu. Senor Hosi, young man. Or the Wako Franco Crank and Kokrakro Voro team. Now you, Senor Hosi. Oh, ya woo well course could see investigations. I'm a city, Abawanda. Oh, a young man like you, Senor. Mo and the multi TV smoke up for me, Mona Munimu answer. Senor was part of the FX committee. Investigators no count. And Yenga Ghana Yansen man or Betina TV so no asheche no hanani. I'm telling you, let me tell you, what? You don't have understand. The government, omubwa omunyomunimshi aza Brandon. Omunyina oma bon omunim bibia. Yanko enim omunyina tete kwase for 1 year time ombe yomuti. Senyor Hosi. Franklin Kujo, president of Imani. Na Franklin so ka ho. I mean ya huneni. I can vote the party. Una ko save wo. Franklin Kujo, Imani president, I can vote the party. I can phone kwasi afone diskana. Wa huneni na obey investigations. Share. JJ Rollins warriors and Triba still. Ya catch JJ Rollins say onye Ghana ni. Wa huneni na wo be save us and I can for partnership. Omu yoro mka say hey. Efo for kwasi akọ enti na Franklin Kujo so can investigators no ho. Kobla Nyalete, director of global market, Barclays Bank, and obeko no obobo title I so onim bibia o banking mu obwa onim hwe obwa FS committee investigator ba akoro no. FS committee investigator ba akoro no ono so onim de omo nyina tuma save eyeden city no 2020 na make sure no investigators linie Bawumia ne put this group way together. Kojo Banaman, Adote enum. Or your head financial markets, the Standard Chartered ni ba kono so ono so onim kapre onim she. Ono so kotina FX committee so omunyina they will germinate o. MPP omunyina surrogates they will germinate. Let's wait for them. Any day bia omu be yi obuti bia na can say hey you are an investigator. You are a criminal. Go and sit home. The next person is Theophilus Asamensa. Hey, Theophilus Atamensa. Oye policy and research analyst, Association of Ghana Industries. Theophilus nimushi about money. Onim anything about economy. Theophilus or kaktet no also investigations. Onishi onoso no boa onim bibia. John Nyaba, Treasurer, Association of Bankers. Bankers for association yakofa treasurer better say onu na be save dollar no. O be save cedi no 2020. John Nyaba on the treasurer keke just kara no aba no and the dahoni yetua ye card with tete obi ade ama no omko meeting na omo cheche per diem na no one am making sure so obi njinjen obi Mr. Theophilus no ono so no lie John Nyaba now your Dr. Joseph Obeng Dr. Joseph Obeng President Ghana Union of Trade Ghana Union of Traders Association Guta Mr. Dr. Joseph Obeng or MPP card Nesha ho any Alfredo Guta for President Ntim yantiasie yabeboa MPP aban ya de enkofo ani omo ono so nam Ghana enne ono na ebekire so obetumi save economy omo nyina omo bon they don't know anything they are liars don't take them serious Samuel Edu ono so treasurer no more treasurer for mienu Franklin, last week didn't come for meeting. We keep telling you people, when you come, you always send your people to come and mark for you. They will come and write your name, but you don't show up. Mr. Franklin, I can't pay this one. Treasurer for me, kabale. Yagas obia benya $1,000 obia no obia 820 838 omia de akechire de fa kabale na omache treasurer for me no Mr. Nyaba and Mr. Edu Samuel Edu omo ye treasurer for me no beto kabale sisi omo te say aboso kan de Tróuble meet for omo beto kabale sisi a omo jeans no mo hye no mo pocket be 8 partnership omo amen come for me no man antiache in the treasurer for me no mo to meet Mr. Mwaku. So what is happening? Every day we need everybody to come, but we don't know. Omo brofu bi ho sa council for brofu, sa teacher for brofu bi da. Ombeju huske nyina. Oh, Mr. Samuel. Also, Mr. John. Also, Mr. Nyaba. Mr. Edu. So what are we doing today? They are all here. Some did not come. I say yes. But have they brought this thing for everybody? I say yes. Can we make sure that everybody gets something before they go? Where are the journalists? They did not come today. So then they say how much is everybody's stipends? Also $1,000. Then we cannot do that too because they are over the number. I don't know why they are doing that. Can you ring Mr. Ken Ofori Atta? Yesterday I'll ring Bawumia. I've ring Bawumia. He's not picking. Omo titi brofubio. Omo corrupt. Sago follow. Mr. Nyaba and Mr. Edu. Omo te kabale no. Omo ede cheskano. Anyway, Mami Efwa Bule. Head Global Market Sales. Also Stanbic Bank no team. Ni kunu so onko yeduane no so onye ne nsanka ne nanka wa hye ne nsan nails on net economics obesave Ghana city. All these people collect salary. I per diem. So they did not put us on salary. They gave them salary in a different format. Oh, this one there, we know that you have left your place of work. We know you had other things to do. Some of you were supposed to go for funerals in the Volta region. We know. So right now, we just want to, at least for your water and your hair, $3,000 water. See, yes, I do. We are check. Kabale no matiacho. Treasure for Nebeka. Oh, we know. Today you are supposed to be at funerals, but for the betterment of this nation. So we are not actually paying, but for your transport and your back, the traffic and all that. $3,000 here for transport. Yetio biaka weekend biya. Sika no mojeno. Felix Hamidu, honestly executive director. Here, otetewa asiyo. Bank the Afrique Limited. Aha. Na onoso eka ho. Onoso eji eyesikadibi. Your friend Mr. Felix Hamidu. Now the Kudientia me yesterday when he say, I know they are all going to pop up very soon. Oh, expert. Oh, former. Oh, used to work with this. Oh, used to be a banker. They are all going to show up soon. In Tomina Pia near the terminal report at Chromo. Yeah, Momina about together on Beji Sikaso Baba investigation. $1 no. You $1 and I'm 17.89. Ken Ofori Atta designation institute finance ministry Ken Ofori Atta and Net2 nano because Satan no catch Bawumia bon to Bawumia Ntim na onye secretary enti Ken Ofori Atta no so te den or te committee no investigations no owusu every year koto Mickey Mouse na agric minister so team Akufo Addo we partner no onum yi se kokuo sa Mickey Mouse no owusu every year onum yi se kokuo oni Akufo Addo okona so oma chichiri wi e wo nima na omo no ma ayese nkusie Omutumi no wi na Rebecca buofu otumi ye kontomre fro ye no da kwache frigim na mo medidi dia omugu nnuala se oh jai ni ebeba Rebecca dia on ye sa na ote omunum wi se moa ele Friday ugoto akoto free ye one Akufo Addo no omunum wi onima aise nkusie meso mutumi nim wi a Rebecca tumi ye kontomre fro ye ne bayire be 4:30 ko tumi nim wi be ewia 2 8:30 dom da honum wi ai omu wuro no mo chichibi no mo de bi ye ti Rebecca butumi fo no de eye de kontomre fro ye no ai palava salt no de palava salt na kwhye di freezer no mo da ho gunnua na se omunum wi oti se Akufo Addo wakasa eye efiri akoto enim da MPP ba power 8 years oti se obi atumi akasa tie efiri akoto so kasa etia Mickey Mouse wakasa tie Akufo Addo akwane be di agric minister o di agric minister 8 years obi atuma fa nsanka no e no nam Ghana na ojimi na no fia se buta e na nkwase ade because oni Akufo Addo nanum wi ono so no ka committee no bi investigations no we mu wi fo every agoto omutumi chichiri wi pampe asecha ma huntumi abasa obekone boma no omuti dua na se an no mo nom no much low key omde eye beat speaker Bediatuo Bob Marley an ping ping there's a natural mystic blowing through the air omunum wi no Bob Marley fam nom the Sizzla Kalanji nom the fam o nom the bujubantin kakra o nom the eye chese omunum OG so boss omde omakofa Bellington no makofa eye culture na Peter Tosh chese tete na yempe no eno machakofo no omutumi num wi no mani aso Akufo Addo ne efiri akoto ene Akufo Addo se na danfo nkotelem ema no wifo na gabby so chechere ras gabby gabby na chechere ai on the se ne ho se nkase na wa chechere obekona gabby enam na no gabby obekona enam na no ho a chechere no awohoro na wa chechere to no na wa bo no sei na we jana mana ise vin I know that two plates so okona se oma chechere wi plate I say omo ba be ye wedding ai omo tumi chechere wi plate I say snack ai obeko na wi sisi table so na aduane ni ho sankofo no enti efiri akoto so na oka ho omodwa alan Kojo Kyeremanteng na yenim abafranto no so tim on don ka hwe oh really abafranto ka say wan hwe onya president ndi enti ono so kwa otim alan otesem osem Mr. Alan papa anamu steady here so wo hwe meni echi na hwe sibia menim dua ne tia Mr. Alan pa oh a nice guy okon kasa wa edin this one AFTC enungu Alan na Mr. Kyeremanteng me don't know obo me feeling ankasa Alan de okon kasa butterfly abafranto no amoa AFTC ositu ye de AFTC na eko Alan kasha na eko na Alan so timbi onim se mfe enkoye ba bende party nti ufiri wa na oba eya Maxwell Opoku Afare yes o first deputy governor Bank of Ghana wa bon Alan is innocent. On one kasampu oko beating. Your money envelope kwa onje. Hey, debi 70. On a manoni amachi de dinam. Alan wanje envelope da. Ono on the video 8 da okwa hin. Franklin mo. Ade. Ana papa yi ono so ejuma Bank of Ghana wa bomb brutal. Ono so not investigators in your friend Dr. Mr. Maxwell Opoku Afare or first deputy governor. Ono so kan ho bi anyeye. And here Dr. Samuel Ninoy Ashong, senior policy advisor, Minister of Finance, Minister Ntim, and a senior advisor to the minister no team. Messi go for a children table one more economics actually. I saw more UK. Tango Voe and Dr. Samuel Ninoy Ashong, senior policy advisor to the finance minister. Thank you very much, sir, for coming on the show. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you to your viewers too. Sir, so how are you seeing things, the economic trajectory and how we are seeing the dollar, the appreciation of the cedi right now is being about 30 decimal points. We are also seeing the inflows of foreign imports. We all know that our export has exceeded our imports. What do you make of the gross domestic imports and how the gravitas of all the economics indicators are showing? Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Now, you need to understand one thing when it comes to policy, economics, and when it comes to money. There's one thing you need to understand. there's one thing you need to understand. There's a very unique line between political policy and financial documented policy. Now, when you don't get the two right, then you get it wrong. Now, the NPP government came to inherit a financial literacy policy that cannot congruent with what we came to meet. So you could see that the numbers were not physically, and when you look at the trajectory or the economic indicators, the finance minister has said it in a couple of his statements that we cannot overstudy the undermining factors or underlying factors that projects our inflows. So it's where would you want be na dollar neko na kwasi afọ the TV so senior advisor technical know-how. Alright, Kevin. Omo Jimmy Bruta. Now, uko enima yawo akwebi a friend Dr. Yaw Enum, senior technical advisor, Minister of Finance, was born rough. Yawo Evron Hughes, technical economic advisor, Office of the Vice. You see, Mr. Evron Hughes, Bawumia technical advisor, Ntim. Oh, friend, oh, thank you. You know, my brother here has been my brother since University of Ghana. We have shared the same dormitory. And so what he's saying, he knows is wrong. Let me tell you, Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, as an economist, when he came to inherit this economy, we know, and I'm speaking from my experience with him working with Bawumia as the senior technical advisor in his office, we know what we are looking at. Now, the indicators do not favor Ghana, but what we came to inherit, we have basically been able to outright or intertwine the two conventional numbers, because when you look at the 5.8 interval of our projection, that is our growth rate, it shows that our projection as a nation and economic stability, that makes it unconditional. When we go out to the say, hey, Edu, oh, this one was my classmate. Oh, this is my uncle. Oh, the moment I from one, on my TV, so I was in school with this person. So on my TV, so no matter news file. No, so Samson, you know, Mr. Frimpong used to be my mate at Lagos. So Otis August, oh, the former finance minister, oh, the agri minister, I've known him very well. He's my uncle. Jaitie kwada. En kwasia sabun kwane di echire. Ai now, Papa be a friend. Benjamin Komlak Podo, in fact, I want to or your whole central MP. I now we MP. Who MP? Who central who MP better who na be investigations. Who be catch MPP na eye omo sal for moment to aba no. Odo kwasi abetena so your FX committee member. Okay. Anya wo Patrick Nomo, Chief Director, Ministry of Finance. No, so Timbi. Oh, do you know Mr. Patrick? Oh, Patrick. Which Mr. Patrick? Oh, Patrick Nomo. Are you talking about our own Nomo? See, hey, that man. Oh, yeah, he was in Cambridge with me. Yes, his first son is even in medical school. So I'm quite Jimmy Bruta. Oh, Patrick, it's a very fine gentleman. Oh, I've known him for a long time. We used to work at the ministries before he went to the US to do his master's. Yeah, he had his PhD and all that. He has 2 children. His first son, is in medical school in Harvard. That boy, oh, when he go to Massachusetts, he's doing very, very well. Patrick, it's what I'm saying. The Omdinam Ghana, I don't know. Go share meeting us here. Way back medical school. Oh, way back there no Copenhagen. Yes, he did his master's there. Na enkwasias omunim she. Iti Patrick so kan. Yeah, more tete. Ye be you obi apie. And I wa obi a friend Samuel Ackhurst. Ai eh edi akese Samuel Ackhurst so here Treasury Director Treasury and Debt Management Ministry of Finance or a director. You say papa we. Do you know Mr. Ackhurst? Mr. Ackhurst. Oh, which one? The tall one. So, Mr. Ackhurst. Is it the Mr. Ackhurst's son? Yeah, he's a Minister of Finance. He's part of the committee. Oh, then we are okay. Mr. Ackhurst, a dini finance or the nam. Ultimate body dini yeti Mr. Ack or the nam. Oh, nimshi or investigators no lie. My member last one in Chile when you queen. We got Kevin tell and Ntim. Oh, but damn, you could be on a Friday. Kwasi Abrafuo. Now, Omo Makadini. Bash Mohammed Abdul Razak Pepeni Ono eye Ghana Extract Industry or your principal economic advisor Ghana Extractive Industry Bash Mohammed Abdul Razak. Do you know Mr. Razak? Oh, which one are you? Debia, which one? So also. Oh, Razak. Don't you know Abdul? Oh, the one we used to call Bash. Oh, Mr. Fosupa. Do you know Bash? Are you talking about the guy whose father was a friend to the former? Yes. He's the guy. So, I know that guy. He was my mate at Tech and one Rijaika. Oh, Bash, there you can do it. Oh, Bash there. We have known Bash for a long time. Oh, the last time you remember my friend Nuruddin. The last time I called him last year at Mecca, he was there with him. So he went to Mecca. So yeah, he has been going and coming. Investigators in here. And you will be a friend Franklin Eliblu. It's your nice Kevin Taylor. Yatete. Oh, betete. Me show Robert. What down? Papa be your friend Franklin Eliblu. Now I know a software architect. Hey, chief software architect. Ghana FinTech Chamber. Hey, on a more and can ask them. With me tie. Oh, Mr. Oh, don't you know Mr. Franklin? The Mr. Franklin, don't go there. When it comes to software, yeah, dollar ne conform, CD ne conform, software architect. We are software FinTech. Software architect in the FinTech war. Yeah, no be a man represent to committee. Him say a software architect. Obey deng, Mr. Liblu. Oh, nim she. Oh no, for into a so that's what we committee meeting now. So, Mr. Libu, what do you have to say? Oh, thank you very much. So, so from what we are seeing, from the FinTech point of view, someone will tell you FinTech. From the FinTech point of view and from the software point of view, what I can say is we need to synchronize all these things. Because you see, when these numbers we are seeing here, if we are not able to infuse it into the streamline of software applications, it becomes difficult. Because when you analyze the analytical conditions of our currency, the FinTech community almost comes, wow. They almost say, wow, Mr. Franklin is he's very good at his job. Someone Jimmy, I also in the FinTech world. Who need FinTech world? Yeah, ni ako FinTech world. About for Jimmy T. Into no $1,000 da ho. Someone Jimmy. So how do you win your experience? Oh, any of the survival Ghana branding for about bomb. Now, yeah, in Kechi in Kunyeli. Hey, in Kechi Akodura. In Kechi in Kunyeli. In Kechi in Kunyeli, yeah, country treasurer, UBA. Nigeria Bank in Ghana, Makola Traders Association, president is not also hobby. Into Mr. Nkiche Nkuneli. Do you know Nkiche? Do you know Mr. Nkuneli? Which one are you talking about? Which one? Also, there, Mr. Nkuneli, do you was it that guy? Yeah, UBA. Oh, he's part of the committee. Oh, well. In Tom Kodua also, Mr. Nkuneli, do you have anything to contribute? Also, thank you, my brother. So, you know, as Ghana man will say, you're all my brothers. The dollar, as we all can see, as bank from Nigeria, we have all studied the Ghanaian economy, and as Nigerians, we thank God that we are not Ghanaians. But as you have put me on this, I can tell you for a fact, our president Tinubu, no, I got a different Tinubu. Someone Jimmy, munim Tinubu asem. No much. Wow. And yet, one and Kwasiafo way, Everton also on your FX committee, they have been tasked to do what? Investigate depreciation of the city. Me say, so what TV or Ghana? Now some better TV so almost salary so 7, 8, 5, 4. Now almost 30 kasa. Now ba ku biera no say, oh, you know Mr. Nyeri. Yeah, he is my senior. Jaihe. So this one I say, oh, Uncle Kweku Baku is my uncle a long time. He knows. Jaihe. So I want to say my senior brother here. We were all at the bar. Jaihe. Oh, we have all been in politics for a long time. He is my brother when we were at Legon. We were all at the same test con before we left. Jaihe. The moment I better sano, I am kwasi asam no mo kan ho. Menti se brody be better see and I guess, oh, my senior, we went to the same school. Oh, senior uncle. Menti bi o BB senior ade o. And so better Ghana ha. Kwasi afford better now. Oh, please. You are my uncle. You have been my brother for a long time. Don't do that. We have all been. Oh, you know, We are all in Legon. He is my senior brother. So what is sad here? The He's my younger brother at the bar. Oh, I taught him at the bar. Oh, I know him when he started. Oh, this guy. Oh, you know, we cannot fight here. We are brothers. Even last week, I was at his mother's funeral. Jaihe, koko sha de foforo. Kope pono bi na hwe. Dia kanyina nkwasi asam. Omunim nyansa. Dia kanyina omunim nyansa. Don't mind them. Mrs. Do you have something for me? Yeah, so team, do you want me to play this video? Evidence today, anytime you let us try and remind them, say, Oma Bon, we don't need them to contribute nothing. This is the FX committee. Omunye.
He has established a forest development committee that will look into policy measures and interventions to prevent the recurring depreciation of the city from assuming the impact of the central bank. The move follows a promise made by the Finance Minister Ken Ofori Atta last year that government would establish a bipartisan committee to investigate the structural causes of the city's depreciation and propose adequate measures. Opinions are divided on the importance of this move. A member of the committee, Franklin Kojo, has been speaking to my colleague Kojo Kyeremanteng on their mandate.
Thank you very much. I would have loved the Secretariat, the Finance Ministry to be doing this, but I can understand, and I actually understand the consternation that has been expressed, not just facially, but through words as well, and almost the satirical aspects of it as well, at the mention of this committee. Precisely so, because the politicians have politicized the issues of the currency. So any semblance of a committee of persons, however eminent, however noble, however disorderly, that have been put together to do something about, understand any aspects of it, could be termed to be probably a superfluous committee, and that, like the famous words of Ross Perot, if you see a snake, kill it and don't set up committees. But the sole reason why some of us accepted, in fact my team agreed that I should represent the institution on it, is because we understood the terms of reference quite clearly, and that this is not a parallel body, independent body to usurp the mandate of the Central Bank of Ghana. In fact, the Central Bank has a more powerful...
What's the bravo? Superfluous, they're mandatory. Omuwe na DDP omuji nisike jira. Franklin Kojo DDP obi awia nisika pa Franklin Kojo nisika 80% omuji ni jina omde kwatena committees no Kofi Benton na set it up. Kofi Benton gero all set Franklin Kojo, oh go and sit on the committee. I hello names of Franklin, so a very very nice guy. Omuwe na omde DDP ba omuji ni nisike jina Franklin Kojo mni to Toyota Toyota Kwame otuminto Kwa DDP, omo jini sika jina di. Omo de ko to committee so we omo jini DDP. Omo de DDP omo jini sika jina wonani. Dia na abaye utumi foko. Time omo de committee we by sa kwasi ampanyi we not TV so defend the committee no.
Let's not go there. So let us support a very concerted effort, an effort that is going to stabilize not MPP CD, that is not going to stabilize not CPP CD, that is going to stabilize not NDC CD, but Ghana CD. Okay. That's certain things you don't even want to bring politics in there.
Let me just state one. Also, focus, 1 minute.
You know, progressively going forward, and also there were some contradictory comments in regards to political will and government-led initiatives. It's not every initiative that necessarily the government ought to lead. For instance, the City TV campaign on the consumption of local rice, which Neil rightly even had a concern, let me put it that way, concern that City TV's name was not mentioned first but second, and why the president's name was mentioned first. So you see, the point here is we must acknowledge where private citizens and CSOs...
Yeah, to Ghana, Jimmy, we in the discuss Ghana economy. Fordjour. Mrs. Sa seat in the Meji. Asen South. I met this seat, no. Jimmy way. Jimmy way Fordjour. Mumusan said, the cocaine allegation or start here, no. I don't want to win no court. Jimmy way Fordjour, Jimmy way. Not only 38 years crowd. Jimmy way when yan kwasi afo bi di omani so esofo Jimmy kwasi ampanyi way meji sa seat no ebe Ghana nyina wanwa. I will take it and give it to the NDC. Asin South, I will take it. I will take that seat. Mechire ne say me Nyankopon oso chen sa kwasi ampanyi no nanam no. I will take it from him. And near my Jimmy way because of politics. Fordjour Jimmy way. Satan only 38 years grow. No 38 years. Now on what TV so discuss it. Ghana FX committee how economy no Jimmy way. Na yet Ghana yaso song kwasi asem we so sa 8 years. Asin South, I will take it. And I am promising him Meji South City the Ama NDC, and I'll take it. That is the first seat I'm taking. 2028. Why you crying do Meji before 2028? Jimmy way. And Yatina Ghana. Now small boys, dirty boys way. They make allegations, they can't prove it. Omo yan kwasi allegation, omo kwasi politics echi. Omo kan kwasi semana kwasi politics chi. Na Jimmy ni way ni nam Ghana so ya MP. And these were the fools they released into the system. So, Omumbe defended an economy that was sinking. I would take his seat. So, person ko this software. Memana ko rasore dem akoye nyame adwuma. You cannot tell yourself so nyamini o ya software na kwasia oje politicians for sikadi. Untumi fa asore ntare wenim na o say ya political oje politics sikadi. Abofunu se nyame na frɛ wo akoye nyame adwuma. Se nyame na frɛ wo Jai politics na kwa nyame adwuma ewi kwasia Jimmy kogina sori dem we se nyame na frɛ wo wote parliament ye den se nyame na frɛ wo a wote parliament wo ye den wo ho abedi pele nyame frɛ no park so na ogina dede ayo park so na ogina asamwajan park so na ogina ojai born bo wi a obetuma kodi sofo obetuma a farmer. It is laudable, we understand kwasia Onyankopon no sma wo no wo Fordjour o ka se kogina sori dem se akoye politics sa ewi we ni nam Ghana kromfo. But you see, I will take the seat. I have a plan. I'm on for nim plan de kutamino. Ta seat no me Jennifer is a seat to take. I am 2028 endu. I 128 endu me Jisa seat no. O dying.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.